List of accessories in the box. There are 7 lights, screws, fan blade, remote control, manual, and base. First, give the smallest light rim fix screw. 2 small-sized light rim screws are fixed and placed in reserve. Then the largest light circle of 4 screws fixed. Install the light ring in accordance with the instruction on the corresponding hole. Then the screws behind the base with a knot to fix the light ring. First, install the first layer of 4 medium-sized light ring. Then install the smallest to small-size light ring. And finally, install the large size ring with 4 screws. After all the light rings are installed, use a wrench to tightening each knot to fix. The next step is to insert the plug of the light ring into the socket of the light source in turn. Note that there is double-sided tape behind the light source socket. You need to tear it off and stick the socket on the base of the lamp to fix. The last step is to install the fan blade. It should be noted there is a hole in the fan blade. The hole and the black pixel on the drive shaft to align. Now it's ready to fix to the ceiling.